This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for June 2nd, 2023. It's currently April 17th, 2023, 7:35 p.m. Eastern Time. The shuffle file for June 2nd was created on February 26, 2023 at 10:19 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this file right here. The overall theme and behavior for the day, we have a nullified disappointment card, a failed attempt to break through key resistance on a one-day scale, followed by a decline through key support on a one-day scale. It's nullified, however, so somehow that chart behavior, that decline is somehow made irrelevant through some sort of chart behavior, which we'll get into more detail as we identify that behavior around the highest high. We're looking to successfully turn resistance into new support on a multi-day chart kind of scale, or at least a one-day chart kind of scale. And we established support. We successfully established support around the low. So it looks like we probably have a low here early in the morning. I'm advised to trade around the beginning of a rally with a big move to the upside, and volume should be significantly bullish. What's important to point out is that we have the disappointment card here. The disappointment card was a trade correlation and the load significator for the prior day, meaning that we probably see a lower price level. Here early in the morning. There's an establishment of support in the pre-market with a prominent move higher after doing that. A prominent move higher on a one-day chart standing out. Period of volatility that ends with a fast sudden move higher right around the open. And then there's an intentional fake out, shakeout of some sort. Intentional triggering of an indicator falsely to create impulsive decisions on the part of retail investors. Looks like it's to the upside there. We hit resistance. There's a key resistance level on a one-day scale that we hit. Somewhere around 11 o'clock. And then we fall from that resistance level with consecutively lower spikes up on the way down. A lot of price change to the downside midday. We break through one support level, meet a second support level, rotate sideways along that support for a bit, and then around somewhere between the 11 o'clock hour and the 12 o'clock hour, there's a bit of a rally off of that rotation along support. There's a bit of a rally, but that rally ends with it's halted with the breakdown through a key support level on a one-day scale about midday. After that breakdown through key support, we do have a notable breakout on a one-day scale between roughly 1 and 2, taking us into a period of volatility between roughly 2 and 3, and a sharp drop that stands out in that period of volatility. Around 3 o'clock, I think there's probably a pretty big move to the upside, kind of unexpected move higher, and taking us to a key resistance level on a one-day scale where volume kind of flattens out. A sideways S formation near the close. That's a decline from resistance, a reversal off support, retracement all the way back to resistance, a reversal off of resistance, and a retracement all the way back to support, creating like a sideways S formation within a channel. And then in the post-market, we have a rally along the diagonal trend line, breaking through horizontal resistance, meeting a second resistance, and then pulling back to somewhere between those two price levels. Sneak preview for the following day for Monday the 5th. Princess of Discs, significant trade opportunity on a multi-day scale. And we'll get into that in more detail in the prediction for the 3rd. Thanks, my friends, for watching. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. The universe will send it back to you tenfold from all directions, my friends. I'll see you guys on the next one.